Hello, ANML communities. Today we are going to see another quiz. Today we are going to see on decision tree algorithm quiz. Go to gopi.chandrakesan.com and then go to quizzes, machine learning quizzes, and then you can select decision tree algorithm quiz, and then you can learn on this page. This quiz contains choose the best answer, multiple choice, and fill in the blanks and drag the words. So you can attend the quiz and then you can check your knowledge on decision tree algorithm quiz. Let's attend the quiz. The subnodes that splits into further subnodes called three decision node, root node, and leaf node. So in this, the decision node is the correct one. The root node is the topmost one. The leaf node, which doesn't have, it's actually we can say terminal. We can say terminal node also. It's actually the correct one is a decision node. Yeah, that's right. So decision tree algorithm belongs to supervised learning algorithm. Yes, that's right. This belongs to supervised learning algorithm because we already see many things. Decision tree belongs to supervised learning algorithm. Decision tree algorithm only used for classification problem. Actually, it is a wrong. It's actually decision tree algorithm can be used for regression and classification problem. Yeah, that's right. We can use it for both linear and mean classification problem. Drag the words into the correct boxes. The discrete set of values are called classification trees. So discrete set of values, actually it is like a categorical pass or fail, 0 or 1. So you give like a discrete value or called a classification trees because you classified as a dog or cat or 0 or 1 or pass or fail or approve or not approved. So that is, we call it as a classification trees. If it is a linear, it is a real value number. It can be goes 1 or 2 or whatever the number it gives. Let's check. Yeah, that's right. So what are the different types of decision tree algorithms? So if you look at different people, different says, it's actually the CART classification and regression trees, because as we said, it actually solve the both. We can use it for both classification and regression problem. And then the CHAID child chi-square automatic interaction detection, this is also yes correct, because this is all slowly actually different version of algorithm it's built in. And C 4.5, if you use a scikit-learn, you can see that these are the algorithms. It's readily available. You can just call the function and then you can test. C 5.50, and then we have a ID3 iterative dictomizer 3, sorry for that, and Mars multivariate adaptive regression splines. Let's check. So these are the different types of we have 6 types of decision tree algorithms right now. It has, yeah, that's right. So space helps to remove some nodes which are non-critical and avoid overfitting, right? So what is that function which helps actually? So pruning. Okay, I'll come to the pruning. The pattern, no, there is no it's actually a parent node. It's a type error, I believe. And the leaf node is actually the eternal node. Okay, and then the splitting, because we are not splitting. If you want to split, that is one of the function in the decision tree algorithm. You want to go into further node or something. The pruning is actually the correct one. The pruning helps to pruning helps to remove some nodes which are not critical and avoid overfitting. So that's what that kind of function is called. The term function, whatever you say, it's a pruning. Yeah, that's right. Drag the words into the correct boxes. The continuous values are called blank in blank. Actually, last time we see that as a discrete values are called blank and blank, because the discrete value is actually, that's what I said, approve or non-approved or 0 or 1. The continuous values, you can say what is a percentage or what is a range. Okay, 7, 8 or 10, it is a real value numbers, it will be a continuous values. So actually it belongs to continuous values are called regression trees in decision tree. Okay, that's right. Decision tree classifier is capable of performing multi-class classification on a data set. Yes, true, because it can handle the multiple class, even a single class classification or a multiple class classification on a data set, it's possible. So for example, that's what I said, milk can be classified into fat or non-fat milk, or you can classify different terms. Whatever that data you get, you can classify into multiple one. What are the different types of nodes in decision tree? Okay, so what are the different types of nodes? So we have a continuous nodes, and I put it as a root nodes, leaf nodes, decision nodes, and edge nodes. So there is no word called continuous nodes. Root nodes is the topmost one. The leaf nodes is the terminal one. The decision nodes is to split it into the next one. So there is no edge nodes or continuous nodes. Let's check. Yeah, that's right. So these are the types of nodes in the decision tree. Different types of nodes in the decision tree if you encounter anything. Drag the words into the correct boxes. The blank cannot split it into further node called. The tree node cannot be split into further node called leaf node, because a leaf node is actually mean this is like a terminal node, because if you go end of the tree you cannot split it, you cannot go further. That's what we call it as a leaf node. Let's check. Yeah, that's right. So we attended all the quizzes correctly. If you let's finish this. Oh, we got a 20 out of 20. And then there are two buttons in this. One is show the solution, whether you selected correct or incorrect, and we have a retry button as well. When you select the retry, you can attend the quiz. As I said in the previous quizzes also, you will get randomly 10 quizzes. I don't want to post more thing because you will end up spending more time on this. But we have a random question, it will be generated. I posted like 15 or 10 to 15 questions, it will randomly generate. You can attend all. If you try to attend next time, it will be in a different question, it will populate sometimes. When I click the solution, if you want to review all of the solution, you can check one by one. If you selected anything incorrectly, then it will show as a red. If you selected correctly, then it will show as a green. So let's check everything. It looks good, and then yeah, finish. We got it 20 out of 20. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that YouTube algorithm knows you are subscribing and watching this channel. I know that many of them are watching without subscribing to the channel. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that I can the YouTube will know that give you more recommendation to you. Thank you.